Christmas. You okay? Doing some recording? Are you YouTubers or something?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've won.
Oh, that's great. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Are you visiting Manchester or you live in
Yeah,
Manchester?
from Canada. No,
Oh,
we can-
beautiful shop you got.
Thank you.
Yeah. Do you work these yourselves?
Yeah,
or
we do, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, we've got a shop in the northern quarter.
Do you want to talk about your shop?
My shop is amazing. It's the best shop in Manchester.
I'll see you before then. Beautiful shop you got.
Thank you.
Yeah. Do you work these yourselves?
Yeah,
or
we do, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, we've got a shop in the northern quarter.
Do you want to talk about your shop?
My shop is amazing. It's the best shop in Manchester.
What is it?
It's
Okay.
called the Manchester Shop.
Yeah.
And it's based on Oldham Street in the northern quarter, and it is fabulous.
Fantastic.
It's absolutely amazing. The best shop in Manchester.
Fantastic. All right. See you. Happy New Year. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Cheers. Bye. Christmas. You okay? Doing some recording. Are you YouTubers or something?
No.
No? Yeah? Yeah, I'm one.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Are you visiting Manchester or are you visiting
From Canada. No,
Oh,
we
you
came from Canada. Yeah.
Alright, so you'll see yourselves here. It's going on YouTube.
What's your page?
Hajways.
Adways or
Haj.
Haj? How do you spell that?
H-A-J. Just write it down. Yeah. And if you can subscribe to me, that would be perfect. I'll get some people from Canada as well. Yeah. You never know, one day you might find me in Canada.
Exactly, that's me.
Yeah.
What's your minute, please?
No problem. So for how long have you been here?
Okay. Which block now?
A week.
Yeah,
Oh, that's good.
yeah. This spell?
H-A-J.
H-H-A
W.
W
A-Y-S.
A-Y-S.
Yeah.
S-ray?
S for sugar.
Alright, ground. That's one.
Hajways, yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, I'll look at
Yeah.
you.
You don't see this nowadays, do you? Have you ever used one? You are a YouTuber? Yeah. Okay, yeah. What's the name of the shop? What's the name of the shop?
అన్న పేరేంటి కొట్టి పేరు అంట యూట్యూబర్ అంట యూట్యూబ్లో
What's the name of the shop?
రింగ్ మీ గేమ్ రింగ్ మీ
Ring Me.
Yeah,
Do you
yeah,
have like a physical shop? Oh, this one here. Do you have a physical shop somewhere?
బయట తీసుకొచ్చాం they don't have it.
They don't have one.
They don't know about it. I mean,
Okay.
they're doing part time.
Okay. Oh, nice one, guys. Yeah, enjoy your time here. Happy New Year, yeah? Hey, you can see yourselves on YouTube if you want to. Do you want me to give you the name? Hajways.
With ring me style.
And you get a little promotion, isn't it? It's free of charge. Do you do normally the Christmas market?
Yeah.
H-A-J W A-Y-S. That's the one. Yeah. It's a beautiful video that premiered today. Yeah, I just do
You
one.
post my video very good.
Yeah? Oh, thank you. Enjoy your time, yeah? Bye, mate. If you can subscribe for me, all of you, I'll be grateful. Sorry?
Our photo has to be clear in that.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Wait, I'm gonna do a good shot for you, okay? And your shop. I'm gonna do the whole shop, okay? Yeah. So do you do several cities in the UK or you just do Manchester?
Yeah, I'll subscribe your channel.
Yeah, perfect. All right. See you later, yeah?
Yeah.
Take care, guys. All right, bye-bye. Take care.
Come and play the Christmas game. Come on, girls and boys, look at all these lovely toys.
You want your shop to appear on the video?
Come and play the Christmas game
Yeah?
today, and you can
Good, so
take
it's a
away
YouTube
toy.
channel. And it's gonna be live this coming week. Okay? Yeah.
What's the name of the channel?
Hajways.
Sorry?
Hajways. Just